step ladder is an invaluable asset for your home. A good step ladder can make doing chores around the house much easier. This makes it possible to safely change light bulbs, access top shelves, and clean gutters. There are many products available to choose step ladders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best step ladders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products are very helpful people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Little Giant MultiPosition Ladder. Little Giant is one of the market leaders in multi-purpose combination ladders. Nothing else on the market really compares to the Little Giant systems, so you can use it with complete confidence. Little Giant is an innovative convertible design that allows you to use it as different types of ladders, including an extension ladder, a staircase ladder, a frame ladder, and even a trestle and plank scaffolding system. This ladder exceeds expectations due to its strong build quality. Also, this step ladder can reach a full 17 feet in height and folds up to a width of only 9 inches, making it very easy to store. Also, both sides of the ladder can hold 300 pounds, making it safe to use by most people. The one thing that might worry you is the weight of this ladder. It weighs around 32 pounds, so it's slightly heavier than the average aluminum ladder. If you're capable of moving an item that heavy, then this ladder is a great option to consider. Number 2. DELX04 Step Ladder. DELX04 Step Ladder helps you reach higher spots easily and safely. Its extra wide steps and non-slip pedal provide good support, with the strong steel frame allowing this extra sturdy step ladder to hold up to 350 pounds. It also folds for easy storage and features a hand grip for even more safety and comfort. DELX04 Step Ladder enlarged non-slip pattern platform that measures 52 to 34 to 17 inches. The lightweight aluminum construction folds up easily and weighs only 17.5 pounds. It's convenient for carrying, storing, and transporting. This can be used indoors, outdoors, in the kitchen, or anywhere else in your home. This ladder can be used in multiple ways. It acts as a chair or stepping stone for small pets. If you're looking for a visually appealing ladder, you don't have to look far. It provides extra height for cleaning, painting, or just reaching out. It's perfect for your home or business. Number 3. HB Tower 4-Step Ladder. HB Tower 4-Step Platform Ladder with handrails is a perfect step stool for the elderly. The exquisite steel frame is constructed with reliability and strength, with comfy and convenient handrails, make the step ladder stable to climb. Metal safety buckle would automatically lock in place when you use it. The back cross brace reinforces support, which will give you a sturdy and safe climbing experience. It measures 21 to 33 to 64.2 inches, folds up easily and weighs only 19.1 pounds, and holds up to 330 pounds. No extra tool is needed, and easy to assemble within 20 minutes. HB Tower 4-Step Ladder with handrail made with high-grade steel step stool. Sturdy pedals with anti-slip texture. Sponge-covered handrails give you a soft feel and better friction. Exclusively designed rubber feet can fully touch the ground to stay firmly and prevent scratches on the floor. It equipped a tool bag. You can store paint brushes, tape measure, screwdriver, and hammer while working. The portable ladder with handrails can be used at home, kitchen, pantry, bathroom, office, garage, outdoor, books, pavilion, and more. It's suitable for most people, especially the elderly. Number 4. Maxwell 4-Step Ladder. Maxwell 4-Step Ladder is a perfect tool when you need a little extra height for items in the kitchen, bathroom, office, or garage. You can 38 inches top step boosts from the ground, reaching a high cabinet, changing the light bulb or washing the windows, upgrading a heavy-duty steel frame, and holding up to 500 pounds. Standing platforms measure 15 to 10.25 inches wide pedals, sturdy steel frame and anti-skid rubber feet, as well as metal crossbars provide safety and support while you stand. There is a safety lock under the top step. Make sure that it have linked the board and frame tightly when you extend the step ladder. It has long padded handrails on both sides that provide a soft and comfortable grip, which make you more confident when using. Non-marring legs keep floors avoiding scratches. When you don't use the ladder, fold up and store it against a wall or corner, car back seat, and under your bed won't use much space. An attachable tool bag is included for holding all your work necessities such as screwdrivers, pliers, pencils, nails, and hold paint brushes, tape measures, or a bottled beverage for added convenience. Number 5. Xinyun 4-Step Ladder. Xinyun is an aluminum 4-step ladder with retractable hand grip that saves more storage space compared to other household ladders. You can freely choose whether to pull out the hand grip without affecting the use height. Equipped with a safety belt to prevent the hand grip from accidentally sliding out. Its folded measures 18.5 to 2.5 to 46 inches, weighs only 12.5 pounds, and maximum load capacity 330 pounds. It features anti-slip and widened pedals to ensure maximum safety during climbing work. The base of the ladder is equipped with friendly PVC material protective padding to protect the floor from scratches and withstand heavy pressure. This ladder was constructed out of thick and high-strength aluminum tubes. The black fixing part between the handrail and main frame is made of high-quality aluminum alloy to ensure the ladder in use is stronger and more durable. The Xinyun step ladder should be part of your home and toolbox. It helps you easily solve the problem of picking up items and folds to just 2.5 inches for storage and carry. Xinyun 4-step ladder ideal for indoor and outdoor activities. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of question or problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is beautiful, so enjoy every bit of your life with our amazing products, as it is going to make your life so much easier. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.